Struggling to keep track of your business finances? You're not alone. Millions of entrepreneurs grapple with the never-ending stream of invoices, expenses, and bank statements. Spreadsheets become monsters, your desk a graveyard of crumpled receipts, and the tax man looms large on the horizon. There's a reason why accounting software exists: to save you time, money, and sanity. But with a vast ocean of options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. QuickBooks is a familiar name, the industry giant. But is it the best fit for your business? Today, we're diving deep into the world of accounting software, specifically exploring alternatives to QuickBooks. We'll unveil the hidden gems that might be a better match for your needs, saving you from the potential pitfalls of a one-size-fits-all approach. QuickBooks. The king, but maybe not for you. Let's be honest, QuickBooks is a powerhouse. Renowned for its robust features, it caters to a wide range of businesses. From basic bookkeeping to inventory management and payroll, it offers a comprehensive solution. However, there are a few things to consider. Complexity. QuickBooks can have a steeper learning curve, especially for those without prior accounting experience. Cost. Pricing plans can climb quickly as your business grows and requires more features. Scalability. While powerful, QuickBooks might not be the most agile for rapidly scaling businesses. The good news? You have choices. Here are some of the top contenders to QuickBooks, each with its own strengths. FreshBooks. Think simple, user-friendly, and ideal for freelancers and service-based businesses. FreshBooks shines in its intuitive interface, seamless invoicing, and project management tools. Xero. This cloud-based champion boasts beautiful design, strong integrations with other business apps, and a focus on real-time financial insights. It's a great option for collaborative accounting and growing businesses. Zoho Books. Affordability meets functionality with Zoho Books. It offers a comprehensive package at a competitive price, including features like inventory management and multi-currency support. Ideal for small and medium businesses looking for value. Wave. Calling all freelancers and solopreneurs. Wave is a free accounting solution with basic invoicing, receipt scanning, and expense tracking. It's a fantastic option to get your financial house in order without breaking the bank. Sage Business Cloud Accounting. A strong contender for established businesses, Sage offers a powerful and scalable solution with advanced features like project costing and reporting. Finding your perfect match. Consider these factors. Choosing the right accounting software is like finding your business soulmate. Here are some key factors to consider. Business size and needs. Are you a solopreneur or a growing team? Do you need inventory management or payroll processing? Budget. How much can you realistically afford to spend on software? Ease of use. Is a user-friendly interface important to you? Scalability. Will the software grow with your business? Integrations. Does it connect with your existing business tools? Many accounting software options offer free trials, allowing you to test drive the features and see if it's a good fit. Don't be afraid to explore. The perfect software is out there waiting to streamline your finances and free you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. Remember, the best accounting software isn't the most popular. It's the one that empowers you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.